Struggling with Internet Explorer? Let's solve it fast. First, let's reset Internet Explorer settings. Open Internet Explorer, click Tools, then Internet Options. Go to the Advanced tab, hit Reset, and confirm. Now, reopen IE. Next, check your network connection. Restart your router by unplugging it for a few minutes. Ensure all cables are snug, and verify Wi-Fi is on and connected. Run the Windows Network Troubleshooter in Settings. Update and Security. Troubleshoot. Now, let's review proxy settings. In Internet Explorer, go to Tools, Internet Options, click Connections, then LAN Settings. Make sure the Use Proxy server for your LAN box is unchecked. Click OK and restart IE. Still having issues? Disable add-ons in Internet Explorer, update Windows, or reinstall network drivers. Try the Windows Troubleshooter for IE. If all else fails, check for website issues or switch to another browser like Chrome or Firefox. Still stuck? Contact Microsoft support for help. And there you have it, Internet Explorer connection fixed in no time.